Drop it.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the use of the if-else statement. But before that, let's look at the syntax. We start with if, followed by the condition. We will evaluate this condition whether it's true or false. If the resulting value is true, then we execute this block of code. Else, we have to execute this block of code. So this one here, false for the true statement. Otherwise, this is our false statement. Now, there is one condition that we'll evaluate. If it's true, we go to this line of code. Else, we go to this line of code, which is the false statement. Let's now look at our code here. Our code is the same as what we had last time, but we will have here an else statement. So first is we initialize the variable. We prompt the user to enter n, and then we evaluate. If n, which is input from the user, is greater than 100, what we're going to do is we're going to display the numbers greater than 100. Else, if it's not greater than 100, maybe it's, let's say, less than 99, so we're going to have here the number is smaller than 100. So let's run our code. Okay, so we have the program output here. So let's first test the true statement. Let's have here 101, enter. So as you can see, it resulted to true, that the number is greater than 100. So it printed out this output here. Let's run it again. Now this time, let's give it a value that is less than 100. So 99, enter. So the number is smaller than 100. So this is false. It will not execute this block of code, but rather it will go to the else statement and execute this line. So that is the implementation of the if-else statement. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.